Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to create or convert Excel file to PDF. So now I'm just open a MS folder and open Excel 2016. Okay, so guys, now I'm open on PDF folder. So guys, I'm just we select last week data order with nulls. Okay, just open this file and select this file data, just PDF. So I'm just click here. So guys, now I'm just click export option and create PDF. Okay, just convert PDF and file name same, just I'm type PDF and click publish. So now publishing and open this file with PDF, and I have 1 of 44 page. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe our channel, keep watching this video, please subscribe and click like this bell icon.